Hi, assalamu alaikum everyone. Urgent update, and by the way, if you're not in Discord, I feel bad for you because today there's a freebie on the Discord. Yeah, I just posted this signal here for this is actually called RPL. So it's the coin name is RPL, and we're looking to sell it at 54 with a risk of 2% and a reward of 15%. Very low risk. We've been actually 20-30% in the past few days in our private sector, which I've been telling you to join, but you're not listening. But anyways, okay, fine, right? So the coin name RPL, come to the Discord. It's actually, I'm thinking of posting some little bit of freebies, but let's go back to the Jasmy video. All right, and here we are. Now today I don't have anything bad to say, okay, about Jasmy. We have Jasmy and we've made a fake out, which probably looks like a fake out. This is a retest that has been successful. You're making potentially one fake out right there. Of course, I can be wrong if in the next few hours you come down again like this. So if you do see Jasmy coming down here, that's the end of it, okay? That's game over. This is the latest thing that I want to tell you. If you see Jasmy coming down, taking this low, back testing, boom, down. And we're going to go down really badly that you're going to come down here to that spot. But why am I not so bearish at the moment? I'm not. I'm really not so bearish because I do remember that I showed you the demand box. And I told you that you have this stop, you have that stop, and I think Jasmy is looking to take out this stop. Now, other people's stop losses should be your entries. Do you understand that? I'm going to repeat. Other people's stop loss is your entry. And it sounds really weird, okay? In a technical terms, it's really confusing to you, and I even know it's confusing to you. But I'm going to tell you some good things that are there on Jasmy because, you know, when there are bad things, there are bad things. And when there are good things, there are good things, okay? You got a trend line, or before I talk about the trend line, let's talk about the RSI. So here we go with the RSI. The RSI is bullish, okay? The RSI is showing that Jasmy is quite bullish. So you do have the RSI moving up and the price is coming down. I don't know if this is a hidden bullish divergence or maybe just a normal bullish divergence. Whatever this is the bullish version of the RSI, okay? And we might expect, because the prices are now mismatching down on the RSI and up here, so we're looking for that difference. The divergence is the difference. So we might be looking for a push back up for Jasmy. And I do believe that if things go fine, then you're looking to break Jasmy's trend line down here, which you've broken out of, by the way. And we're looking for a move back up to this area, okay? So don't get bearish just yet. Other people's stop losses are your entries. People's stop losses are taken away. That's when you enter. Not a financial advice, but this I'm going to confirm. If you do come down like this and end up taking this low and closing below like this, game over. So that's pretty much it for this update. Come on Discord. What are you waiting for? And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.